Shenishba a punishment or something the person did in a past life?
So the question is, so Tinok Shenishba is a translation, is a captured baby. So in olden days, it was not unusual when Gentiles, like they would capture a baby, small baby, like from Jews, raise them and one of their own, like train them, and the person did not know, and maybe when person grew up, somebody have mercy on him, said, actually you not belong to us. You see how different we are from you. So you're different. You know why? Because you're a Jew. So go back to your father. This is when we kidnapped you 20 years ago. So that person comes to his place, to his village, to his town. Whenever he meets his parents, let's say. So he's Tinok Shenishba, meaning he did not all of these years, all these 20 years, he did not know that he's a Jew. Right? And now, in some sense, he's not responsible. But on the other hand, he is responsible, where he has to bring the korban, at least one, for all of these averas that he did not do. For he did even unknowingly. So just because a person did unknowingly does not remove responsibility, because the deed was done, unknowingly or not unknowingly. Okay, so that's a classic example. So now some people, right, for commercial reasons. So it's because it's very profitable to say that everybody Tinok Shenishba, and they do not need to do anything except give us tzedakah. So what could be better than a commercial reason like that? You understand? So they put everybody in this category, like nobody. So, and Rambam gives the classic definition. What's the classic definition? So person was kidnapped, as we said. So he grew up in not Jewish home, or not religious home, right? It was not his fault, let's say, that he went into this family, right, as a baby. And he never heard about the Jewish people, right? And he never heard that Jewish people got the Torah, and he never saw the religious people in his life. So basically, it's possible. There is such cases are possible, right? So and that's it. So that's person Tinok Shenishba. But after he was released, like after he sees these religious people everywhere, he found out this he's a Jew, and the Jews received the Torah and Torah books of instruction. So now, like in our day and age, he would say, I do not know. And who is he fooling? I'm not sure how exactly is going to fly. Like it's like a person is driving, and he said, no, I did not know that you're not supposed to drive on a red light. He said, but because I have a driver license from different countries. Who cares different countries? For example, you drive in the US, it's one set of road signs. You go into Europe or to Israel, there is different signs, set of road signs. So what does it mean? Just because it's different, you're not going to be responsible if you violate the traffic laws? Absolutely not. Nobody cares. So it was your responsibility. Right, to learn it, and same as here, it's your responsibility to find out. Hashem gave you the godly soul, right, and Hashem never put anybody for failure. Otherwise, like he would be a vicious God. So, and we call him merciful God, meaning that even though this person grew up in an environment that maybe not the best Torah environment in the world, but he was given many opportunities during the life, right, to explore what the Torah is, what the Jewish people is, and he looks like he did not. And plus, these Jews that call themselves Kirov, right? All of these clowns, right? So they say, no, you're Tinok Shenishba. So basically, you don't need to do anything. Just give it tzedakah. That's very, very wrong. What they do to people, and people say, yeah, I grew up like this, like that, and I do not know the Torah. If only I wish I have a Torah education. But sometimes, like I have some people like that. They know how to press my red buttons, but I would say you're this such executive in a top bank, right? You know, like you're such a smart person. You did not know, but you did not know about many things. But when you want to be this top executive in this bank, so you find out how to do. Like some people who write to me, and they sometimes they use their work email, right, or like a work log. So I see like for example, one guy wrote to me, and he's a owner proprietor of a real estate company. I mean, it's his last name on this thing, right? And he said, I do not know, maybe this, maybe that. Stop it. You understand? So if you're doing all of the real estate business, so you have few brains. I'm not sure you're the biggest genius, but at least something. So you could have learned about the Torah as well. Understand? So that's so the question was, is it punishment for them? Of course it is. Maybe it's challenging. Is it punishment? Maybe it is a punishment in some sense. So when they were in a normal environment, in a Jewish environment, like a religious environment, they did not want to learn. They did not want to perform. They say, no, I'm going to do now when I realize what the Torah is. Even if you put me in the bottom of the sewer, I'm going to climb on top and I'm going to be Moshe Rabbeinu. I promise. So Hashem gave me a chance. So now you're in this anti-God family. So let's see what happens. So is it their responsibility? Yeah. That's how they ended previous life, always. So our beginning, like our basic tendencies, right? It's not character traits, it's only tendencies, is actually how we will finish previous life. So if person is greedy, so he has tendency to greed. So means in a previous life, that's how he died. He died very greedy person. And same with all of the things. So same is. So the person was placed in this situation, in this family. Why? Because of previous things. But it does not change any of his obligation that he has to be a holy Jew. Does not change it. Okay. What else?
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome. That's a good question. So I answered something similar. Baruch Hashem, one very famous speaker actually watched us, and I once wanted to find out a little more about him, so I watched his video a little. I skip a little, but okay. So he watched our video and commented, and actually I comment like partially what I said, because I knew he did not know that I knew what he was, who he was, but I responded to him. So the problem is the teachers today. He said, no, if everybody would absorb Torah and this and that. No, I said the problem is the teachers. They teach wrongly, that it's optional. Okay, so go ahead, sorry, go ahead.
Rabbi.